Hello everyone! Have you lost all your data from a memory card or SD card? In this video tutorial, I show you how easy it is to recover deleted data from a memory card using Recoverit data recovery software. Connect your memory card to the computer, launch Recoverit, and select External Devices Recovery data recovery mode. Make sure your memory card SD card is detected by the computer and click Next. Select the memory card device and click Start button to start scanning data. Recoverit will start a quick scan to search files. After the first scan, you can also go to a deep scan with All-Around Recovery data recovery mode. It will search more files and take more time to complete the scanning process. At the end, you can check your recovered files. Select your data and click Recover to save it to another storage device. Thanks for watching!